Hello everyone, welcome to your first midterm. In this brief video, I just want to go over some basic instructions to make sure you know where to access the midterm and also just some basic details about the midterm as well. So to access the midterm, I'm on the home page. You can click on the modules link here. And your midterm is actually set up in a module of its own. So if you scroll down, it is the last module that you'll see in Canvas. To get started, please make sure you review the midterm 1 instructions. As a reminder, this exam opens at 8 a.m. and it closes at 9 p.m. on Monday. Remember, your exam has to be submitted by 9 p.m. So make sure you give yourself enough time. You have an hour and a half, but your exam has to be actually submitted to Canvas by 9 o'clock. So if you start your exam at 8 o'clock on Monday, you are only going to have an hour to take it. So make sure you're giving yourself enough time. We are not meeting for class, so you will just work on the exam on your own. The exam is a total of 22 questions. There's 10 true and false, 10 multiple choice, and there's 2 short answer questions. The short answer questions contain like multiple parts, so like parts A, B, and C. There is a text box under the question where you're actually going to type in your answers. When you type in your answers, please make sure you label them part A, part B, whatever, so I know what part of the question you are responding to. As I mentioned in class, there is an opportunity to upload the work for any of those short answer questions. So if you click on this link here, it will take you to an assignment page where you can actually upload the work for those short answer questions. You can take a picture of the work if you just scribbled something on paper. You can take a picture with your cell phone. If you did your calculations in Excel, you can upload an Excel document, whatever works best for you. I don't have a format requirement. So just upload that however you want. It needs to be uploaded by 11:59 p.m. on Monday. I am going to take as your final answer whatever you've submitted in the actual exam, but if you submit your work, it might be helpful in understanding if you did make a mistake, where that mistake happened, and if it's just a calculation error and you set up everything right and it was just a basic math error, I might be able to give you partial credit. So do make sure to upload that work for the short answer calculations. Make sure you're taking this exam somewhere with good internet connection. Hopefully you can take it on campus. Just make sure you're somewhere that you have stable internet connection. If your exam cuts out at some point and you lose access to your exam because the internet has cut out, please email me if you can, on your phone as soon as possible, so I can help you with that. You do get to use your notes. It's open book, open note, but you cannot work with anybody else. You cannot talk about the exam with anyone else while it's open, and I ask you not to talk about it afterwards as well. I will not tolerate any kind of cheating, so you're welcome to use your notes, but that's really it. If you have any questions that come up during the exam, please reach out to me directly. My email is ablent@calpoly.edu. I'm also going to have my normal Zoom office hours, so if you need to stop by, please feel free to do so via Zoom between 12:10 and 1 o'clock on Monday. To actually access the exam, I'm going to go back to our module, and so you can actually just click this midterm number 1 here, and that will take you to the exam. And in this module, this is where you can upload those short answer calculations if you decide to do so. I wish you all the best of luck. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I am more than happy to help.